In this video, I'm going to show you the most accurate trend reversal indicator that is available on TradingView, and this is completely for free to use on TradingView. So guys, this is quite interesting indicator, and today I will show you a technique by which you can catch a lot of good signals by using this free indicator, and you can use this indicator into the forex, crypto, and the stock market. Okay guys, one more thing, if you are looking for the secret trading strategies, then I have started another YouTube channel in the name of Secret Trading Unmasked. I have given the link of the YouTube channel in the description of this video below, so please make sure that you are going to subscribe that channel, because the secret content will be shared on this channel. So please find the link in the description. Okay guys, so we are going to remove that indicator, and we will again find the indicator so that we can attach on our screens. So going to the indicator section, and guys, one more thing, if you're looking for the best broker that I personally use from 2015, please find the broker link in the description of this video below. This broker offers you very competitive spreads, and you will never have a problem with the withdrawals. It hardly takes 1 minute for me to reach my withdrawal to my account. Okay, so guys, now let's move towards the strategy. Okay, so we are going to the indicator section, and here we need to write catching trends. Okay, catching trend reversals. So when you write catching trend reversals, then this indicator will come, that is called catching trend reversals by short stops and buy, and the name of author is Eugenie 71, and you can see it has gained 158 likes as well. Okay, so the only settings that we want to do in this indicator is to uncheck the labels. Okay, rest you can keep the things quite simple like this. Okay guys, one more thing, like if you want to add, then I can just guide you that go for the EMA. That could be a second option for you. Otherwise you can use any type of a trend indicator that is helpful. Okay, otherwise you can use at least EMA and change the input from 9 to 200. Okay guys, so for example, what this is the gold 15-minute chart. Okay, so first of all, you should make yourself set to that point that whenever the price action is below the 200 EMA, then try yourself to avoid the buy position. So for example, this is the buy. Okay, then you can see price moved up because it has provided you three dots here. Okay, so the best way to use this indicator is to short when the price is below the 200 EMA. Okay, that was the valid good trade for going short, because the price was subject to go down. Okay, because you know that below the 200 EMA, mostly we have seen that the price will get a downward pressure. Okay, and now if you just look at this condition, why the price is going up, because the thing is very simple. It has provided you the accurate reversal, and the price is above the 200 EMA, and that was the good scalping chance for you. Okay, so guys, similarly, when we talk about this trade that we have on Great Britain pound CAD, that was a bullish trade. Why? Because the price is above the 200 EMA. Okay, whenever you are looking for the above the 200 EMA, whenever the sell signals are coming, sell reversals are coming by the indicator, just keep on ignoring them, because they can be dangerous to trade. Okay, now let's have a look on the other pairs. Okay, the price is below the 200 EMA, we will not buy. If the market starts to give us the dots from the top, then we can go for a sell. Okay, similarly, you can see that was the easy trade above the 200 EMA. That was the easy bullish chance, and you can see price has went up. Okay, so very simple and very easy to trade with no problems. Okay, so similarly, let's go to the other pairs. Look, this was the bullish chance because the price is above the 200 EMA. Bullish chance. So guys, I mean, if you are a beginner trader, if you are a experienced trader, but still my videos are going to help you a lot, because they are going to give you a genuine idea about the market. Look at this one. This is kind of a bullish position for you, because you are above the 200 EMA. So guys, find this indicator on TradingView. I have highlighted everything about it, and moreover, please do not forget to subscribe the Secret Trading Unmasked, because most of the powerful strategies are shared on this YouTube channel. So please make sure that you should cop up with the both channels. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share.